Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install VRay 7 Update 3. First you have to download the VRay 7 Update 3 from this link. Download link in the description. I already downloaded VRay 7 Update 3 for 3ds Max. Run the VRay 7 setup. Please like and subscribe my channel. Both should be marked and click on install. Before install it will automatically you install the previous version of VRay. VRay will be installed in few moment. Mark it. Click on done. VRay 7 installation is done. Now open 3ds Max. Go to the render settings. Select the VRay 7 Update 3 render engine. Let's try it. Start interactive. It's working. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.